Ever dreamed of running a seamless online business in the UAE? Imagine accepting payments effortlessly, managing transactions with ease, and focusing on what truly matters, growing your venture. That's the promise of payment gateways like mamopay. But with a plethora of options available, a crucial question arises: is mamopay legit? Can you trust them with your hard-earned money? Let's dive deep and find out. Building trust, mamopay's credentials. Mamopay positions itself as a secure and reliable payment gateway for businesses. Their website boasts impressive credentials. They're regulated by the Dubai Financial Services Authority, DFSA, for providing money services. This regulatory oversight offers a layer of security, as the DFSA ensures companies comply with strict financial regulations. Additionally, mamopay emphasizes data privacy, guaranteeing they'll never sell your information. They also showcase industry-standard certifications, further bolstering their commitment to security. The user experience, pros and cons. Positive user reviews highlight mamopay's user-friendly interface and smooth transaction processing. Customers appreciate the ease of receiving payments, both online and offline. Setting up the platform seems straightforward, and the mobile app offers convenient on-the-go management. However, some users report encountering challenges. Complaints include blocked accounts with seemingly no explanation and unexpected fees for specific transactions or currencies. Additionally, limited customization options for payment links can be frustrating. Fees and transparency, what you need to know. Transparency around fees is crucial for any business. While mamopay's website doesn't explicitly state their pricing structure, user reviews suggest their transaction fees might be slightly higher compared to competitors. It's vital to do your research and compare mamopay's rates with other payment gateways before making a decision. Customer support, a make-or-break factor. A reliable and responsive customer support team is an invaluable asset for any payment gateway. Reviews regarding mamopay's customer service are mixed. While some users commend their friendly and helpful approach, others express frustration with difficulty reaching support or receiving unsatisfactory explanations. The verdict: is mamopay right for you? So, is mamopay the ultimate payment gateway solution for your UAE business? The answer isn't a simple yes or no. Here's a breakdown to help you decide. Security and regulation. Mamopay's DFSA regulation and focus on data privacy are positive indicators. User experience. The user-friendly interface and mobile app are convenient, but limited customization might be a drawback. Fees. Research and compare transaction fees with other platforms to ensure you're getting the best deal. Customer support. Mixed reviews highlight a potential gamble on responsiveness and assistance. Making an informed decision. Ultimately, the decision rests with you. Carefully consider your business needs, transaction volume, budget, and the importance of a user-friendly platform. Research alternative payment gateways available in the UAE, compare their offerings, and don't hesitate to contact their customer support teams to gauge responsiveness. Remember, don't solely rely on online reviews. Mamopay might be a perfect fit for some businesses, while others may find a better match elsewhere. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.